This is an all-electric aircraft. Pure electric.
Organs with low emissions location to location of really closure. What you're looking at right there is our conventional takeoff and landing model. We also have a vertical takeoff and landing model. We have fully transitioned in place and will come off the production line later this year.
That's really incredible. Now tell us a little bit about the passenger space in India that we're seeing.
Yep, so the passenger model
So the redesign is based off of
five passengers. I encourage everyone here to
migrating birds.
and get to sit in it. And I think we find the cabin experience even better than premium economy in the major airlines.
Now Eddie, I'm going to switch gears a little bit because you're also the flight instructor and demo pilot. As a student pilot, how easy is it to fly safely?
It is unbelievable. You can fly legally. All you need is airplane security management and a high performance endorsement. Wind up to cruise at about 110 knots. And really